Hey guys, today we are talking about Ourself lip filler. I know a lot of you are getting your lip filler in the mail, or you just got it, or it should be delivering any day. So really quick before I start, I know I look really weird. I had a septoplasty and a rhinoplasty last week, and I originally wasn't going to tell anybody because it would be such like minimal outside work. It was just going to straighten it and like make me so I can breathe. But I had so much swelling that I can't move my top lip still. So like I can't smile right or talk. And I was like, people are going to think I got filler, but no, just this. And I have so much swelling right here. So that's why I look a little crazy, which is so funny because I use the Elastin Enhance, which you're supposed to use before like injections or anything like that, so you don't bruise, and I didn't because I used that a week before and like this past week, which now I'm like, I should have just bruised because now I'm so swollen and puffy, but I have no bruising, so people are just like looking at me like, why are you disfigured? That's why. But anyway, it should be gone, he said, in like a week or two. I actually got to take the tape off this morning. My cast came off last week. The tape came off this morning. So I'm hoping this means all this fluid is gonna drain soon, and I can be back to normal. Okay, let's talk. The very exciting, and I've been using it, that's the one thing I have been doing, is the Ourself lip filler. When you get this, it's very important. So you paid $145 for this. That's for your full pen and its refill. So you're actually getting like 2 for 1. And then when you go through this box with the refill, you only need to purchase the refill. So make sure you don't throw this guy away. The very important thing to remember about this, it is a lip treatment. Just like your skincare, you don't apply your skincare every hour. You want to do it like the clinical studies say to get the optimal results. And that's what we're going to do with this. Erica, and I've adopted her saying, is leave this by your toothbrush and just apply it once a day after you brush your teeth so that you're applying this correctly and you're going to get the results that we expect you to get. So when you get this, remember the loading phase is, I say 5 laps. I'm sure there's a better terminology, but it's 5 laps for 5 days and then maintenance. And when you apply this, you're not gonna apply it like a lip liner and overline because this has a vasodilator in it. So that means you're gonna get really red around your lips if you do that. Now, the redness will go away. It's our body's like natural defense, but we don't wanna do that because we don't wanna waste the product. So we're gonna stay inside the lip line, and then when we apply this, before we move on to the next application or the next lap, we want that to dry all the way. So I'm gonna do the first one. I've already done 2 just to speed this along, and you can see how nice and pink and red my lips already are, and that's what I really like about this, is that it actually gives your lips color. The first time you use this will be very like frustrating because it dispenses a lot of product, and depending on like how big your lips are, you won't need to use it all in that first application. You can spread it out over all 5. So just don't worry if like a lot pumps out. You don't need to pump this 5 times each day. So just rub what you can in, and I just flip it over and like smear it in, and then save the extra for the next application. Okay, and then we're gonna let that dry. So while you're using this, you will experience dryness. That's what happens when anything swells. Our lips are swelling, just like right now with my face swelling. I am peeling so badly, and that's totally normal. It's our body's natural mechanism for swelling. So it's gonna shed that skin so that we can swell, which is why we have these awesome, really, really pretty lip conditioners, which I will show you. So I'm gonna do the next 3 layers and then I'll be back. Okay, they are nice and red and plump, and they look so hydrated. And now I'm gonna seal that in with a lip conditioner. Now the one I've been using, very similar to my Jane Iredale. So of course I already knew I was gonna love it. This one just has sparkle, and this is way more hydrating. This also, what I really like about it is if you like the Dior lip oils, like that shine those give you, you're gonna love these. It's like the amount of shine without the stickiness that the lip oils give you. Can't move my lip. So yeah, look how pretty that is. Now, these are the other two, and I'm gonna be honest, I haven't used these yet. This is the Sunset Tint, and you can get these in the minis or in the full size individually. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's like a nice like nude. And then this is Berry. Ooh. Those are really pretty. Ooh, I made that one ugly, hold on. That one like matches my shirt. Okay, these are way prettier than I just did. Those swatches need work, sorry. But those are so pretty. I think I'm gonna wear that one tomorrow. So anyway, we're all done. Those are the 3 colors. Again, just make sure you keep your refill, you keep your pen, so you can just keep reloading it. After the 5 loading days, you can go to maintenance. If you want to apply it twice a day, that's what I've been doing, because I've been doing it more than, I mean, I've had this now for about a month. So I just do 1 lap in the morning, 1 lap at night. But yeah, so I've loved it. I haven't gotten lip filler in years, and I don't want to get it anymore, and I'm just so happy because these are literally your in-office results without having to visit the office, without migration, without bruising, without anything, without complications. This is the way to go. So we're so excited to carry this. This is patent pending technology. These are really smart peptides that actually dive deep into the structure of the lip and naturally plump it and hydrate it from the inside out.